Tell him hey.
Hey, Lindsay. Hey,
Hey,
precious. Haley. Sorry.
No, it's fine.
At least I ain't calling her my ex's name.
No, you're still living.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna let her mommy hold.
Okay, Mommy.
Hi, pretty girl.
Cause she can really make her smile. She can really make her smile. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Are you gonna talk? Are you gonna talk? Are you gonna be bashful? Huh? Are you gonna be bashful? What's he doing? What are you doing? Just chewing on that hand, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah,
Talk
just
to us.
chewing. What are you looking at? What are you looking at, huh?
Give me another couple of weeks.
No, she'll always play hard to get, I bet. I bet you always play hard to get. She's interested in that rainbow.
Uh-huh.
Do you want that? Do you want that? Boo-boo.